They don't have standing, they're time barred. California would require an objectant to file a proceeding within 120 days. That has clearly come and gone. I think the number one reason that people talk about the validity of a will, even in the absence of a bona fide challenge, is the hope of a settlement. And these documents actually give the trustees broad discretion to settle any claim or litigation against the estate. It's reported that she would receive $500,000 per episode of infidelity on the part of Justin Timberlake. Increasingly, we were seeing celebrities with lifestyle clauses. What would happen in the event of infidelity or substance abuse issues, and that started to go mainstream. If I were advising Kanye, which I'm not, I would strongly suggest that he have a non-disclosure or confidentiality clause within their love contract. If you're going in an office pool, make sure that the rules are crystal clear. Never spot someone, because then they can claim that you agreed to spot them. Put the money in a trust, because we all know that the win is subject to income taxes, but it's also subject to 55% estate taxes. If there is a winner and it's an office pool, you can be sure that people are going to say, I thought I was in. I thought that you were going to cover me. That's our usual deal. That's why it's so important to have rules and never deviate from the rules. You want to, with any legal protection, anticipate the slings and arrows down the road. And I want to be able to say in court, no one said that they were going to cover you, because we don't do that for anyone. I think traditionally a credit score would have been a silly thing to even think about in terms of dating. But now, because the credit score really impacts so much in our day-to-day lives, it's as relevant an inquiry as our prospective partner's health history or criminal background. What's going to be very important is, what are they trying to do about it? Are they taking it seriously? Are they trying very hard to live within their means? Or are they driving a super expensive car and wearing beautiful clothes and going out to dinner every night? If I were advising Chris, which I'm not, I would urge her to settle this quickly and quietly. Getting Bruce to sign a non-disclosure agreement should be worth way more to Chris than fighting it out for an extra $1 or $2 million. A love contract is a legal document, sort of like a prenuptial agreement, that can also include a list of deal breakers, where if he cheats, she gets $5 million. I would urge both parties to have a non-disclosure requirement within the prenup, where they're not allowed to speak negatively about each other in public. It's going to be awfully difficult for them to resist the temptation, because that could mean millions and millions of dollars.